Hello, welcome to the RenoPlan tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to create and edit our rooms, generate a quick summary report, and lastly, how to share plans. Starting out with our pencil option in the bottom left, we will be using the free draw tool. This tool is great to trace out rooms that have more complicated shapes than just our normal rectangular or square rooms. With the Pro version of RenoPlan, you have the ability to also connect a Bluetooth laser that will allow you to quickly measure out rooms on the spot instead of having to use that measuring tape. To get started, place down your starting point and drag into the direction that you are measuring. You'll see that the measurements will pop up to the side of the lines. You can also draw out rooms and use the keypad feature at the bottom of the toolbar to quickly type in your measurements as you go along. After you have your rooms drawn out, we can jump into making any adjustments with our Resize tool by tapping on the room and selecting Resize at the bottom of the screen. Now you can drag to position the rooms if needed, then tap on Done to complete any edits. Drag and snap your rooms together quickly to get that finished look of a full floor plan. Adding doors and windows is quick and easy with just a simple drag and drop method. Once everything is together, we can jump into the Report tool to see a full breakdown of what our plan looks like. When everything is good to go, we can quickly share this via email, by a 3D viewer link, and also create a PDF printout. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for future videos and updates for all MeasureSquare products.